In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Squarespace website. By the end, your store will be ready to accept PayPal at checkout, giving your customers a fast, familiar, and secure way to pay. Before we start, a quick heads up. You'll want access to your Squarespace site's dashboard and a PayPal business account that's available in your region. If you don't see the option to connect, it can sometimes be related to your plan or location settings, so keep that in mind. Let's jump in. From your Squarespace home menu, look to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon. That opens the settings area, which is where you manage your site's core options. In settings, find the section labeled Selling. This is the hub for your store-related controls. Open Selling, then choose Payments. The Payments panel is where Squarespace lists the payment gateways your site can use, and you'll see PayPal right there among the options. Now, click Connect on PayPal. A PayPal window will open and prompt you to log in. Sign in with your PayPal business credentials, then follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. You're essentially letting Squarespace and PayPal talk to each other so your checkout can process PayPal transactions correctly. When you're done, you'll be routed back to Squarespace, and you should see PayPal marked as connected. That's all there is to it. Your site can now accept PayPal at checkout. Here's what that means for your customers. At checkout, they'll see PayPal as a payment choice, and they can complete their purchase using their PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or card saved in PayPal. Funds will land in your PayPal account according to PayPal's standard processing timelines. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure your store currency in Squarespace matches a currency your PayPal account supports to avoid unexpected conversion fees. Double-check the business name and contact information in your PayPal settings, since customers may see those details on receipts. If you manage the site with a team, ensure your Squarespace role has permission to access the Payments panel. If you ever need to review or change this connection, just return to the same payment screen in Selling. You can disconnect or switch accounts there at any time. To recap in one breath, click the gear icon at the bottom left, go to Selling, select Payments, click Connect on PayPal, and log in with your account, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Squarespace.